Everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve GATE sample question 2022. We start today calculus. If u is equal to x square plus y square whole 1/3, evaluate x square del 2u del x square plus 2xy del 2u del x del y plus y square del 2u del y2 is equals to what? Four options are given. So this is the question in the house of calculus, and here u is equal to given x square plus y square whole 1/3. So just taking common 2/3, and this one become 1 plus y by x whole square whole 1/3. So this is equal to x to the power 2/3 f of y by x. So u is a homogeneous function of degree n is equals to 2/3. So now therefore u is a homogeneous function, and what is the degree of this homogeneous function? Degree is equals to n is equals to 2/3. So by Euler's theorem, we may write x square del 2u del x square plus twice xy del 2u del x del y plus y square del 2u del y square is equals to n into n minus 1 into u. So that is equal to 2/3 minus 1 into u. So that is equal to 2/3 minus 1/3 into u. That is equal to minus 2u/9. So we reached, it is our required solution, and our correct option is option A is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 1. Now moving to question 2. So question 2 tells us if u is equals to tan inverse x cube plus y cube by x minus y, then find x del u del x plus y del u del y, x square del 2u del x plus 2xy del 2u del x del y, y square del 2u del y2. This is the GATE sample question, and 2020-22. So now here tan u is equals to x cube plus y cube by, as u is equal to tan inverse this, so we may write tan u is equal to x cube plus y cube by x minus y. Okay, so now x cube into 1 plus y cube by x cube by x into 1 minus y by x. So that is equal to x square phi of y by x. So now tan u is a homogeneous function of degree what? Degree is n is equal to 2 as 2. So now hence f of u is equals to tan u. That implies f dash u is equal to what? Sec square u. Okay, so now we may write this one is equals to g. Okay, so now gu is equal to what? GU is equal to n into f of u divide f dash u. So this one become twice nu by sec square u, as it is differentiating this. So that this one becomes sec square u. So 2 sine of u by cos u into cos square, 1 by sec square, so it is cos square u. So cos u and cos square u is cancelled off, twice cos u sin u, that means sine of 2u. Okay, so now number 2, this one maybe we suppose this one is equals to GU into G dash u minus 1. So GU is equal to sine 2u and G dash u means twice cos of 2u minus 1. So just multiplication this one. So 2 sine 2u cos 2u means sine 4u and this one is sine 2u. So we reached these two are the required solutions, and this is the complete solution of question 2. So now moving to question 3. So question 3 tells us that is, if u is equals to log of e of x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 by x by y, then find these two also. So this is also is get sample question 2022. So now e to the power u is equals to, we may write taking we just eliminate log. So this one become x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 by x minus y. So now simplify x to the power 4 into 1 minus y to the power 4 by x to the power 4, x by divide x by 1 minus y by x. So that is equal to x cube phi of y by x. So if u now is equals to e to the power u, e to the power u is a homogeneous function of degree what? Degree is equals to 3. So here degree is equals to 3. So now f dash u is equal to e to the power u, sorry, yes, e to the power u. So now this one, if we made this one option, so one is this one is equal to x del u del x plus y del u del y. So this one is equal to, may write gu. So gu is equal to n into f of u divide f dash u. So 3 into e to the power 4 by e to the power 4, that is equal to 3. So it is our one answer. Now option 2. So 2 is this. So this one is equal to, we may write gu into g dash u minus 1. So that is equal to, gu is equal to, before calculated 3, and this one g dash u is equal to 0 minus 1. So that is equal to minus 3. So this is our required answer. So these are the 3 solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.